What's up, YouTube? I'm back here with another video. I want to say thank y'all for everybody who subscribed to the channel, all the love and support that y'all shown so far. You know, the channel is growing kind of fast. You know, I'm just so happy that I'm able to help everybody in the credit community. We're now at over 2,000 subscribers. We're about, we're on the road to 10,000. So I do want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. So to get into the topic of this video, we're going to be talking about cross-corporate guarantee and building business credit with gas cards, fuel cards, maintenance cards, whatever you want to call them. So let's just talk about cross corporate guarantee and how I found out about it, and I'm sharing it now with y'all. So I had this card first, right? This is not my first ever business card, but I'm gonna just tell you how the whole cross corporate guarantee thing came about. So I had this Fleet Pep Boys card, right? I had $1,000 limit. I then applied for this Shell Fleet Plus card. When I applied for this card, during the application process, it just said, okay, thank you for submitting application. It's now under review, or whatever the case was, right? So then somebody called me from Shell saying, hey, it looks like you already have a card with Wix. And I was like, yeah, I got a Pep Boys card. And it was like, yeah, it looks like you haven't been using it or anything like that. I was like, yeah, I haven't been using it. So it was like, well, underwriting, Wix Bank is not going to approve you for another line because you're not already using what you have. So it's just like, if you do want the Shell card, you can split your limit from this card to get this card. So I said, okay, I got 1,000 on limit. I said, okay, can I do 500? I keep 500 on this one, add on this one. She said, yeah, I can do that. And then she did it. I got an email saying that the card will be sent out in the mail. So now I have 500 on this one, 500 on this one. So from that whole aspect of, okay, I applied for a new card and I just split the limit from this one, a little light went off in my head. I said, okay, if I could split limits on cards, I wonder, can I do this for other businesses, So then I called back and I said, hey, is there a thing where I can kind of guarantee for another business? She was like, yeah, we have a thing, cross corporate guarantee. And then she was just telling me, you already have a business with a card that you can basically cross corporate guarantee for your other business to get the card as well. So that's how I found out about that. So I did want to share that with y'all. That's very, very cool way, because now you're able to build business credit way much faster because you started the business. You got one business that got all the fuel cards and stuff. Now for your new business, you can skip all the net 30s and everything, do the applications for those cards, get denied or whatever, then say, hey, I'm going to do the cross-corporate guarantee. Now you cross-corporate guarantee for all those cards. Now you're building a business credit way much faster. You don't have to do no deposits for those cards or nothing like that. And then when you do the cross-corporate guarantee, they don't take away from the limits that you have for your other business. They'll just give you new limits based off of what you put for your monthly spend. And then from when I found out about Wix Bank, whatever you put for monthly spend, they try to double it. So at the time when I did the Pep Boys card, I had put like 500 for my monthly spend, and that's why I got 1,000. Then I just did for a new business, I had put 4,000 on here, and I got a 7,500 credit limit. And then I just did another Shell for my other business, and I got 8,000. I put 4,000 monthly spend, got 8,000. And the 4,000 that I put, I do genuinely plan on spending that much with that business. So that's why I put that. So don't just go out and put a high monthly spend to get a high credit limit. Don't do that, because if you're not gonna be using it, now you're wasting the credit that could have been possibly given to another business, or whatever the case may be. So only put what you generally plan on spending. If your spending habits do change, then put in a request for a credit limit increase. But for that business, I specifically probably expect to spend some thousands of dollars a month on gas. This business here, I only have put 500 because that's about average how much I put in the vehicle to travel around. So that's that. That's what cross corporate guaranteeing is. And also for cards, if you already got business credit cards, you can split your limits on this card to get your other cards as well. So that's that. Basically how cross corporate guarantee. It's just like if you was co-signing on a personal loan for somebody. You're basically just saying, I'll take financial responsibility. They're going to repay their debts. Same thing with this. You have this business. You're saying, okay, I'm a cross corporate guarantee for the new business. If that business doesn't pay its debts, I'm responsible for it. But since you own both of the businesses that you're cross corporate guaranteeing for, you don't have to worry about the debt not being paid because you're going to pay it. And then another thing as well, not only can you cross corporate guarantee for your other businesses that you own, you can also do this for your friends, family, and other people as well. I don't really recommend doing that because, you know, once money is involved, you know, that kind of can ruin relationships. People don't do what they're supposed to do, and then now your business is financially responsible for it. But if you have business partners, you have family members, a spouse or somebody that you trust the cross corporate guarantee for, that is an option as well. And then doing the cross corporate guarantee is just a simple form that you fill out. I just had to put the new business name, my first business name, and my name, signature, and date and whatnot. I submitted the PDF, and then I think the same day or next day I got the approval saying, okay, your cards will be sent out in the mail within 5 to 7 business days. So it's a very simple process. That's as far as with the fuel cards, and this is with WEX Bank. So Citi doesn't do cross corporate guarantee. Synchrony Bank doesn't do cross corporate guarantee. Citi doesn't do cross corporate. I think I just said that again. But Community Bank, I'm not sure. So the Community Bank is the one who does the underwriting for the Floor & Decor card. I haven't asked them if they do cross corporate guarantee, but for sure WEX Bank does do it. Also for Divvy, the Divvy card, the Divvy corporate card is backed by WEX Bank. You can do cross corporate guarantee for the Divvy card as well, but again, they do a soft pull on your personal credit, so make sure your personal credit is good as well. And they will actually for financial statement, so you will have to show the profits and loss and everything for your business to cross corporate guarantee for the other business. So if you have those documents, your personal credit is good, you can do that as well. So yeah, it's a very cool hack. You know, now you're able to really build business credit very, very fast. So that's that. And then now I'm gonna show you all the business fuel cards that I have. And I don't really remember what my business credit was, because this was like right when I started building a business credit. I didn't have no thought about making a YouTube channel. I didn't have no thought about sharing my credit experiences, and I just kind of just applied and just did it. So I really don't remember what my business credit was, how long in between applications, I really don't remember. And I tried to go through my emails to find the approvals and stuff. I have too many emails, so I just wasn't able to find it and stuff. But I have the Shell Fleet Plus. Now another thing, for Shell, they have a few fuel cards. They have like a Shell Fleet Plus, a Shell Small Business, a Shell something else. They're literally all the same cards. But for whatever reason, I applied for this one, the Shell Fleet Plus. So I have that. I had the Fuelman Black and Red card. I had the Universal Fuelman, can be used anywhere. MasterCard had that one. I had the Pilot Flying J, just like the first card they had. Now they have the Axle, I believe, or however you said, they had that one. But just the one that I have. Then I had the Pep Boys card, and then I just got approved for my new business, the new Universal card, and then I got another Shell card that's supposed to be on the way as well. So those are the cards that I have. The reason why I went with those, Shell, I get gas from their Shell's not far from me. The Premium Universal is a MasterCard, can be used anywhere, so that's why I got that one. Pep Boys, you know, you're able to get stuff out of Pep Boys, that's why I got that one. Pilot Flying J, I just did it just because. The other Fuelman, the Black and Red one, that was just my first card ever. I really didn't know much about business credit, so that's just the one that I went with. All it is, no personal guarantee, no personal credit check, just all business credit and what you put on the application. They don't ask for any documents or anything like that. But now that y'all know about cross corporate guarantee, please do not take it, you know, abuse this program or anything like that, because they can take it away if they want to. Because I haven't seen any other videos about cross corporate guarantee, so I guess mine will be the first video. So as this get popular, please do not abuse this and mess it up for everybody. You know, only cross corporate guarantee if you actually go pay the debts and do what you're supposed to do. You know, don't get a good thing taken away by being greedy. And then same thing for the monthly spend. Only put what you generally plan to spend. Don't just put a high amount just to get a high credit line. So yeah, that's that. Building business credit with fuel cards, you know, that's a very fast way to do it. You can skip the net 30s and stuff, or you could add the net 30s with the fuel cards. Now you're gonna have a beefed up business credit report. And then as far as building business credit with the fuel cards, you know, depending on how much money you got to build business credit, let's say you got $2,000, you know, you can get 4 fuel cards, put $500 deposit on each, you know, use that for about 6 months. 6 months go by, you possibly get your deposit back, and you have the unsecured lines. Then from there, you can do the cross corporate guarantee. I'm not sure how long you have to hold the card to do a cross corporate guarantee. All my cards I have for a few months, like I just found out about it, so I can't give you a data point on how long you have to have the card or when after can you do the cross corporate guarantee. I guess you'll have to ask the underwriting people about that part. But I did just want to share with y'all that you can do cross corporate guarantee. You can build business credit pretty fast with the fuel cards. Whether you're doing a secure version or just regular, you can build business credit pretty fast. Another thing as well to mention with this, the MasterCards. So what I found out recently when I was on the phone with them, when you go to gas stations, let's say if it's you have a driver, whatever the case may be, with this being a MasterCard, you can buy gas and you can buy stuff inside of the gas station. So, you know, inside the gas station, you can buy you some water, snacks. What else can you? Please don't. I don't know if you can use this on lottery or anything. Don't do that. I don't know if you can, but wouldn't use it on that. But definitely snacks, fuel, you can use it on. And I know sometimes in the gas station they have like that little section where it'll have like oil and stuff for the car, like little light bulbs and different stuff as well. You know, that's great for that because now you're able to get gas and buy some stuff that you may need for the car. I think they sell gloves inside the gas station, sometimes masks, hand sanitizer. So that is definitely a good feature there, that the MasterCard can be used for stuff inside of the gas station. I just found that out. I mean, you probably think so because it's a MasterCard, but I really didn't know, and I wasn't going to try it and then get the transaction declined. I just had asked while I was on the phone, and the guy told me that, yeah, it can be used for stuff inside of the gas station as well. So with that being said, don't abuse that feature. Don't just be buying stuff all in the gas station, or don't never get gas but buy stuff out the gas station. Don't do that either. Use the cards for what they're meant for. Build your business credit, and then, you know, that's just an additional feature. But yeah, so that's cross corporate guarantee, building business credit with fuel cards. Those are the cards I went with. You know, my first ever fuel card was this Fuelman black and red one. And then all the rest of them just came after, just applying for them. Use the cards, keep them active, use them every few months. Do the credit limit increases on them. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all like this video. Hopefully you learned something new with the cross corporate guarantee. And now you can use this to help build business credit for your other businesses. And you can split limits on cards to get new cards as well. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for my next video, because my next video is gonna be on the Lowe's card that I just got approved for. So I'm about to record that one and I'll be dropping that one next. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the rest of my videos.